Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. Last week I made a profit of around 60 to 64k in total two trades, one on Wednesday and another one on Thursday. I didn't trade any other day, mainly because I was not able to figure out what's gonna happen after that huge up move on the last Friday. So I waited for Monday and Tuesday, and then I was very confident that I can take up a trade on Wednesday, and yes, I was right and made some good money. So this month has been a good month for me. When the market crashed, I made really good money, and if I can make money, you can also definitely make money during the market fall. And please make sure to watch all other videos. Okay, so last day, that is Tuesday evening, Tuesday close, I shorted eyeball with one lot, hoping that this there would be a breakdown from this triangle pattern. Uh, at the end of the video, I'll explain you why I went short. Right now, it is in 16k loss. Let me just go to Hindustan Unilever. I have taken another shot in Hindustan as well because there was a pressure from the trend line last day, and I shorted yesterday's close, which is the previous day green candle. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm expecting a downside movement because the previous day there has been a immense pressure, so obviously there is going to be a fall as far as I know. Let's see what's gonna happens. Let me just go to the eyeball again. There is some testing going on the trend line at the trend line. So let's see. From the trend line, it has to reverse. Otherwise, it's a bad news for me. So most likely, it will fall down. Let me just wait. It can reverse from here and give a breakdown from this triangle pattern. I'm not sure when. It can happen today or tomorrow. Right now it's totally minus 19k. Let's see. Minus 21k. Okay. Hindustan Unilever. Okay, it has to reverse from here now. Eyeball. So this is okay. 22. Okay, this is not good. I want it to reverse, not give a breakout from the triangle pattern. Yes, come on. As expected, Hindustan Unilever is going on my favor. It is reversing as expected because last day, if you see, there was a pressure, complete pressure from the trend line. So, meanwhile, IBUL also is looking to give a breakdown from here. If it gives a breakdown today itself, it is a good news for me. Looks like it is about to give a breakdown. Very good.
सहनी हमें सजा है, हम हैं बाजारों के, सबकी नजर यहाँ है, हर चीज राज है। अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रवा है। अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके ऐसी जी, अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जी, अब चाहे जिंदगी है। ऐसी जिंदगी हम छुप छुपाए, हम नहाए आए आए हम नहाए। ऐसी जी छुप छुपाए। खुदी को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने, खुदी को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने। गवाह है गुजरे जमाने, चले हैं जग परवाने, खुदी को खुद से
Fuck my life.
मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने। खुदी को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने, गवाह है गुजरे जमाने, चले हैं जब परवाने।
I'll just quickly explain why I took up the trade in Iable Finance. So when there was a breakdown from this pattern, this is a triangle pattern which I had drawn. I missed this entry, and I was waiting for another entry in Iable Finance, and this is what I was seeing. So there is a huge pattern breakdown, and then again the stock was consolidating for a time, for at least, let's say, for a week, and then after that there was a break. So my entry was here. I was expecting there would be a break, since there is a bearishness both in the market and also in the stock, and I anticipated that it would break this triangle pattern as well, and I entered here itself. I didn't wait for the breakdown and all. um, So it the next day it went up and tested the above trend line, and then it fell. And also, if you notice, there is another opportunity here in IBOR. Although I didn't take this trade, but I'm just saying that if you are very strong in price action, it's very easy to make money out of these. You don't have to look at any screeners, or you don't have to look at any stocks, or you don't have to use any screeners, oscillators or indicators. So just plain naked charts with pure price action. So I didn't enter this here because I was busy with LNT and Hindustan Unilever. Probably if I had seen this, I would have taken another trade and made some good money, because it is almost the same move. I guess this is 25%, this is again 25-26%, a very good move. So in Hindustan Unilever, this is the this is the channel pattern break. And what happened is, I'll just zoom a bit. This candle is not a good looking candle at all, so this is why I waited. I didn't take up any trade, and also on this trade, on this day I didn't take up any trade. This is where I took a shot on the close of that market. I mean, around 3:15 or something, and next day it fell. And I made a mistake of closing it very very early. So if you notice in the video, I closed it here itself, and look at the fall. So the next day what I did, I shorted again when the market opened, and this is what I booked. I didn't book it here. I'll just zoom a bit again. So I entered when the market opened, and I had to exit here. So this would have been 14k profit, but I had to exit with 7k profit, which is still fine. Okay, so this is how I trade, pretty much with price action. It is neither swing trading nor intraday, it is a mix of both. You can try this method, or you can use a different method also. Whatever is fine, whatever is suiting you, it is totally fine, because each would have a different trading style. And you shall not imitate whatever I do. You may not be very comfortable with the way I trade. So practice the price action, and you can figure out what suits the best for you. Okay, you can either stick with the swing trading, or either stick with the intraday. Okay. Okay, this is the weekly pattern which was broken in LNT. This is the weekly pattern, a channel pattern. 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6 times at the top it was getting resistance, and at the bottom 1 2. And this huge very important level was broken, and which is why I entered here. I'm not sure where. This is where I entered when the there was a gap down. I entered here itself. So yes, I didn't trade all these days because I was not clear what would happen after this green candle. So I was just waiting for 2 or 3 days, and then after a gap down happened, I went short. And I'm still holding the LNT trade, and I'm expecting it to go down further. So I'll keep you posted on what's gonna happen on this trade. So make sure to check the next video to see how much I have earned, as I'm holding this trade and I'm not closed it. Okay, see you guys soon. Thank you so much.